This is a quick demo of the Visual Timer Chrome extension that I developed. There's a bunch of timer applications, desktop apps, Chrome extensions out there already. But with my workflow, I found that I was having to use my mouse too much to go into one of the timers, start a new timer, pause a timer, etc. And I really, really like keeping my hands on the keyboard. So I developed this Chrome extension with the intent of it being much more keyboard centric. So you'll see here on the bottom left, this is the visual timer that I've developed. And it is about to finish. And so you're going to see what the end state here looks like. It is now done. There's a little ding. Don't know if that came through in the audio here or not. And that ding is pretty loud and pretty crisp, enough for you to hear it even if you're playing music in your headphones, for example. It also is going to flash prominently like this, so you're definitely not going to miss it when it's elapsed. And that was part of what I was trying to solve for with this. The way that I have my desktops set up, I use Spectacle, which is a great window tiling app on Mac. And I always keep a quarter of my laptop screen when I'm hooked up to an external monitor here dedicated to the timer. So I don't miss it. I've also got, I'm going to set a 5-minute timer. I've also got like this little, in my periphery, I can see, proportionally how much it's filled up, how much time I've got left when I'm at the halfway point, that kind of thing. So that was a really nice way for me to keep track of my time, how much time I've got left, and stay focused on this thing. So I'm not getting distracted with email or Slack or what have you. I've got all my other work screens kind of on my external monitor, and I've got, usually my task list. I use TickTick for that, and my timer and my shell, etc., here on my laptop screen. So a couple other features in terms of what you can do with this visual timer. You can change the time just by typing the number of minutes you want to set it for and hitting enter. So I'm just hitting 10, enter to start a 10-minute timer. You can easily toggle it, whether it's paused or not, with the spacebar. So pause with the spacebar, unpause with the spacebar again. You can restart the timer if you've got a false starter, if you just want to reset it for some reason by hitting R. That just starts the timer over. And then if you wanted to change the audio, the toggle for the ding sound, you can just hit question mark. That switches it into this configuration, settings screen. And so you can toggle that guy on or off. You can also change the color of the background. One little quirk that I'm working on with this that I'll have fixed very soon is when you change these attributes, you have to reload the window just with Command R or closing and restarting it, but it saves it after that point. So now it's green instead of purple, for example. Quick little bit of preview for things that are coming soon. I'm going to add a task management or a task list feature to this. So I don't currently have a separate task app that I used called TickTick. And so I have these two windows. I want to kind of combine the two so that I'm always keeping everything inside of the Chrome extension. So that feature will be coming soon. If you've got any other feedback for me, please let me know. I'm going to be actively working on this in the next few months. Thanks.